hak jingele ban pen klanya ka bor pulit ka jala ka sarkar jala kala pen kre ban thung kam shu ya ki samla ha ki tanat baper habakran sikilat pathai kubor ha ka arpar tarik kula lengkot Hajar punrio uba Cyril V Diengdoh commissioner bat secretary ka tanat kam po yeng sarkar jala ulong bagi kam ki balat ki long kumba lai Hajar teli bat ukmi lenti ban pendap no haswa ka artarik Rymphang Hajar punrio Nolor kata ulong ru bagajing tmu jongkane ka long ban pendap ki jing duna brio haki police station ki outpost nolor ki battalion baper ya ka ba ki kam ki dang ya chakmat hasulong bat kumjo ru hatura.
Process is ongoing. As we speak, interviews are happening both in Tura and in Shillong for the eastern range and western range. However, happy to inform you that 76 numbers of sub-inspector recruitment as part of this process have already been completed. In fact, those results are declared and they have joined and they are undergoing training in Nepal. Remaining for other categories like constables, both armed and unarmed branch, is ongoing. We are hoping to complete this by the first week or second week of February. 3,000 is a big number of recruitment. It will help in ensuring that we are able to fill up these vacancies at various positions and various locations, in police stations, in outposts, in thanas and other locations, including the battalions. And definitely, police requires manpower for many purposes, from law and order management to investigations to other policing functions. So definitely having 3,000 more police numbers will definitely help the police force, augment the Meghalaya police force. The deployment of forces is something that is done from time to time, depending on the need and depending on the requirement of that particular district or that particular unit or battalion. So that is something that is done by the DGP's office and reviewed from time to time, looking at various requirements. We have been strengthening the AMTF, the Narcotics Task Force, and other such units which require to be strengthened. And definitely the manpower will be deployed accordingly and augmented accordingly.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.